Ever wondered if you could start your own online store without breaking the bank? A common question that pops up is, can I use Spocket for free? Let's dive into that. Spocket is a popular dropshipping platform that connects online sellers with suppliers worldwide. It offers a streamlined way to source products and ship them directly to customers. But, is there a free version of this powerful tool? Spocket doesn't have a free plan. While it would be fantastic to have a completely free platform for dropshipping, Spocket operates on a subscription-based model. This means you'll need to invest a certain amount to access its features. Why the subscription model? Server costs. Maintaining a platform like Spocket requires significant server resources and bandwidth. Supplier partnerships. Building and maintaining relationships with suppliers worldwide involves costs. Customer support. Providing 24/7 customer support requires a dedicated team. Feature development. Continuously improving the platform and adding new features demands resources. The benefits of paying for Spocket. Even though Spocket isn't free, the benefits often outweigh the costs. Product sourcing. Access to a vast catalog of products from reliable suppliers. Easy import. Quickly import products into your online store with just a few clicks. Automated order fulfillment. Streamline your order fulfillment process. Shipping label printing. Save time and effort with automated shipping label generation. Inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels and avoid stockouts. Customer support. Get expert assistance whenever you need it. Exploring free alternatives. While Spocket itself isn't free, there are some free alternatives you might consider. Alibaba, a massive online marketplace with a vast selection of products. Siege Dropshipping, another popular dropshipping platform with some free features. AliExpress, a retail service focused on global online sales. However, these alternatives may require more manual work and may not offer the same level of automation and support as Spocket. While Spocket doesn't have a free plan, it's a valuable tool for serious online sellers. The investment in a subscription can lead to significant returns, especially when you consider the time and effort saved. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.